Welcome back to Day 2 of our Excel 365 beginner course. Yesterday, you got a quick tour of Excel and entered your first data. Today, we'll go one step further and learn what a workbook and a worksheet are, how to create them, rename them, and save them properly. First, let's understand what a workbook is. A workbook is simply an Excel file. Every time you create, save, or share an Excel file, you're working with a workbook. Right now, if you look at the top of your screen, you might see something like book1.xlsx. That's the default name Excel gives. When you open a new file, let's change that. Click on File in the top left corner, then select New and choose Blank Workbook. A fresh file will open. This is your new workbook. Now let's save it with a name of our choice. Click on File, then Save As. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to save it. I'll save mine in the Documents folder. In the File name box, type day2-practice.xlsx, then click Save. You can now see the name at the top of your screen has changed. Inside every workbook, you have worksheets. Think of worksheets like pages inside a notebook. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a tab that says Sheet 1. That's your first worksheet. You can have many sheets inside a single workbook, which is very helpful for organizing data. Let's rename this worksheet. Right-click on the tab that says Sheet 1, then choose Rename. Type Personal Info and press Enter. Your first sheet is now renamed. Now let's add another worksheet. Click the plus button next to the sheet name. A new sheet appears, probably called Sheet 2. Let's rename this one too. Right-click, choose Rename, and type Expenses. Press Enter. Sometimes you don't need a sheet. To delete it, right-click on the sheet name and choose Delete. Excel might ask you to confirm. Click Delete again, and the sheet will be removed. Okay, now pause this video and try these steps yourself. Create a new workbook. Rename the first sheet to Personal Info. Add a second sheet called Expenses. Save your workbook as day2practice.xlsx. Doing it yourself will help you remember these steps better. Great job! You now understand the difference between a workbook and a worksheet. You also know how to create, rename, add, delete, and save them. In tomorrow's lesson, we'll learn how to move around inside Excel using rows, columns, and cells. I'll see you in Day 3.